is first test riding the board through the city. All right. All right. I'm excited. It might not look like it, but I'm really excited for this. I've been waiting like weeks. So a little backstory, I got messaged to review this board and send this board to me, and of course I'll accept it. I know I haven't exactly told you what it is yet. This is gonna fall, that's not good. I know I haven't told you exactly what it is yet, but I was asked to review the board. I've been waiting for weeks. It's here, it's finally here. I'm excited, yes. Now let's get, I'm gonna open it. We need a knife. I've got a knife. I'm not sure if you guys can tell or not, but it's an electric skateboard. I've been waiting for years to get one, never bought one. Got asked if I wanted to make a video about one, so, well. Oh yeah, look at that. God, that is heavy. I've been waiting. All right, so like I said, I've been waiting for like 3 or 4 weeks now that I've known about this. I haven't made a video about it because obviously I want it to be a surprise or at least something cool. I'm not reviewing it in today's video. I just want to play with it for like 5 seconds, and I don't know. But yeah, man, this is gonna be dope. It is heavy as shit. That's a solid board. Pretty decent bounce, but it's heavy, like really heavy. But you wanna ride it in the house? I guess we should ride it in the house. All right, first test in the house. Brakes, not so great. However, it does go backwards. All right, so let's see if I can get the hang of this again. Double press that, we're going forward. What speed are we in? 3. Whoa, shit. Okay, this is gonna take a learning curve. All right, maybe we should take it outside? This is heavy. They did give me a helmet, but I'm not gonna use it today. If I feel like I need it, then I'll start wearing it. But as of right now, I'm not gonna use it, but I am going into 5 o'clock traffic. That's always handy. All right, let's go. All right, yeah, it rides rough, but regardless of that, we still have to get across town in like, I don't know, 10. This has a range of 28 miles. I'm not sure the top speed. I think it's around the same thing. I could be wrong. I will make a full video where I review, update, and give out actual information. But until then, I could be incorrect about some of these things. I don't really know. But yeah. All right, so this board, all right, so can you see it? No, you can't see it. I'll update in a video specifically made for the board. I just wanted to make like a mini vlog when I got it because it's fun. I don't know where I am. I don't know when I get home. I'm still new to the city. We're figuring things out, but so far, so good. It's a little rough. It doesn't really, it's not as smooth as like I'd like it to be. But I mean, I guess that's just part of it. I don't know. Every board's different. This board just happens to not be that comfortable. But the comfiest ride. Everything else is good. What was that?
This is one way, go around that way. One way street.
Oh, okay, I saw the stop sign. I thought, back to where we were. I also just got stopped by that cop and asked to not ride on the road, which is stupid because this is technically a skateboard. I'll be honest, I almost just fell. That was a little scary. But I mean, it's still not bad. That was a rather rough ride. And this time I'm not talking about what I was saying about the actual way it rides, but I am talking about the fact that I almost wiped out almost on the busiest street out here. We're gonna hang it up, set up the charger on the wall over here. We'll come back at some point about something else. I don't know where we're going with this, but the skateboard rack is coming in helpful. And there's a wall outlet, like, there's an outlet on the wall, like right there. That'll be perfect for making like a electric skateboard bike rack thing. I don't wanna look at okay.
The next day.
Alright, before I even get into like just my thoughts and closing out this video, do you listen to the noise below me? I mean, come on. So annoying. Real quick, got this board. I don't know if I'm pointing at it or not. I got the board from a company called Outdoor Master. I will be making a full review, in-depth video for them and for this channel sometime soon. Maybe next week. I don't know. Maybe the end of this week. I'm not quite sure. But I do know this video was just a little teaser. This was just a little taste for that video. If you want to know more about the board, get some discount on it. Help me out, help the channel out, whatever you want to do. If you are interested in the board, be sure to watch the next video. It will explain a lot more and be a little bit better when it comes to production quality. I do find that the noise below me drowns out once I'm working or like trying to sleep, but it is very difficult in this current moment when I'm trying to speak to you and I want to have decent audio and all you can hear is, yeah, okay. See you guys next video.